laying them, I got you on tape the whole time. Oh. Good casting, Andrew. It's a long way over there. Oh my God. I don't know. You want to land that one, Paul? I'll get the video here. Oh, I missed. He's way down there. That's all right. Hard to see him now. There he is. Oh, look at him go. He's going down on you. That's number 3 for Andrew.
I'm going to try, I need to stay up here. Stay up here, that current.
Tell you what, why don't you set that pole down over here? Set the lead up on the rock. Take it and stick it on that rock and stick it straight up there so it sticks all the way up. Well, I'll tell you what, just hang. Let's just work to get that baby, huh?
Slide them right here.
There, he's got a little run. Man, does he? Brown? Is it rainbow? Nice. Yeah, I can see it here. Great. Oh, that's a good feeling there. Fish the stone. Here, I'll take the pole. You can help in the net. Good. Man, we got to work that thing across the shore. Look at that beast. Getting good at taking these things off. video start to finish net, maybe. It's a YouTube special there. Don't lose them. Oh, 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 yeah.